Bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from French, meaning I am 20 years old. That's as an example. You could replace the number by any number, really. And I will teach you how to say I'm that many, X many years old. J'ai, meaning I am. 20, in this case, is 20. You have silent G and silent T. Ans. Ans is the plural here. You have an S there, but it's French, so you don't pronounce the S at the end. So j'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans being I'm 20 years old. You could say j'ai 30 ans, meaning I'm 30 years old. J'ai 40 ans. I'm 40 years old. J'ai 45 ans, meaning I'm 45. So you have to learn a bit of the numbers if you know you're counting. Then you replace the 20 here with your age. J'ai 20 ans is how you say I'm 20 years old in French. And now you know. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something today. Like the video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. It helps a lot. Thank you. Merci. And more videos for you to hear to learn more French. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci beaucoup.